Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video what are the buttons for at the Doro 1370. So let us start with these both buttons here. These buttons are always together with the words above of them. So in that case, this button means options. So let's go there. And this button means now OK. And the other button means now back. And the navigation buttons here for up and down, I think is clear. And now let us take these buttons to go back, and we are back in the menu. Okay, I think this is clear, no? Accept call is the green one, to refuse to call is the red one, and also later to on and off the phone I will show you later. This button here, the star, is you can have some favorites, no? You can have top 10 favorites and you can add them here if you have them already in your contact list. So this button here is for the flashlight, no? If you press it. This button here is for the camera, and if you tap it one more time you can have pictures and so on. And this button is to go directly to the text messages. Yeah, the numbers are, I think, is clear. And yeah, the star one here, the star button, you have the opportunity to lock the keyboard. Now the keyboard is locked, and if you want to unlock it, hold it again longer and it's unlocked. So hold longer to lock it and hold it longer after to unlock it. This one, the hash, is the same. If you hold it longer, you can go to silent mode, and if you hold it longer again, you are in a regular mode and you have again the ringtone. So if you want to off the ringtone for a moment, you can press it longer and you have no ringtone. Okay, and on the back we have also a button, so an SOS button, an emergency button. So if you hold it for 3 seconds, then you can have maybe the 911 or a friend of you. It depends, you can set it up. And yeah, a very nice tool. And may your friend doesn't go on the phone, then it will call the next friend you have entered in the list, and if, at the end, if nobody picks the phone, it goes automatically to 911. So this feature you can set up later in the settings. It is a very nice opportunity. You can make here the activation when it has to turn on, or you can completely off that service and so on. And then you have also the opportunity to give you a number list. And yeah, what I said, then the phone is starting in a row, checking your contacts, and if no one picks up the phone, it goes automatically to the 911 service. And if you want to off the phone, now we're here at the red button, you just hold it longer and say power off, yes, go and confirm, and it is off. In the same way you can on it later. If you hold it for long, you can on the phone. Hold it long and you can on the phone. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And you have created also some other videos if you're interested in. Would be a pleasure to see you again. For me to subscribe me. Would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.